So this is going to be a short tutorial just over the new format for the open-close reports and just some of the features of the open-close dashboard. Just as a reminder, this is still day-old information. So for up-to-date information with schedule building, you want to use the schedule builder. But this is the open close report, and there are two tabs here that'll open. There's the summer and fall, and then when spring comes, we'll add the tab for spring as well. But there are filters here at the top where you can search for multiple catalog numbers if you know specific courses that you're wanting to look for. You can just type in here and it'll pull up any courses that that meet those requirements, and you can select them from there. There's also delivery mode. You can look at, if you want to review how many seats are left, the enrollment cap or enrollment total, so you can filter for those. The schedule start, whether you want courses that start on the first week of class, or if you want flexible start courses, which were previously known as late start. The times that courses are being taught, so you can filter for specific times if you're trying to fill a slot. Division, and then individual faculty members. So again, this is available for summer and fall to be able to filter. Down at the bottom, you'll see where there's metadata. If you're wanting to download the report from here, click on the specific semester you would like, whether that's summer or fall. And then down at the bottom of the screen, there will be a little link that says download. If you click download, you'll want to download the data. Click full data, and I always do show all columns. And then download as a text file, and it'll actually open it up as a comma-separated value in Excel. So then if you hit OK, it'll actually open up the file in Excel there for you. So then you'll have that data available, and it'll be in Excel. And as you can see, it is the full open-close report in the format that you're accustomed to. So this is the dashboard, the interactive dashboard that you can work with for the open close report. There is also in DSS, and if you don't have access to DSS and find that you need this, just contact me. I'm Jeelan Warren. But you'll go to the colleges dashboard in DSS. And there are three tabs here. There's West Kentucky, the Enrollment Management Dashboard, and then WK Course Tools. So you'll want to go to WK Course Tools, and right here at the top you'll see here are the open close reports that are available. So we've got the summer and the fall open close reports in there. So you can just click on the individual report that you're needing, and it will allow you to review that in DSS. And at the bottom, you'll be able to export that if you'd like to do that. So that is the new format for the open close report. I hope this was helpful and informative.